Dear colleagues, let me present the topic of our research, the didactic potential of cloud technologies in professional training of future teachers of Ukrainian language and literature. Today we'll discuss such topic outline, background and aim of the research, cloud technologies in higher education, cloud-based services in higher education, blended learning organization. Background of our research is based upon such basics. High-speed information progress of society of the new challenge to the educational modernization, wide popularity of cloud technologies in higher education, forming the digital competence of teachers philologists, educational technologies which help to organize the student-centered and practice-oriented learning, a variety of educational cloud technology services in different subjects. The aim of the research is to educate the didactic capability of the usage of cloud technologies in the format of studying the discipline scientific research basics for effective professional training of students philologists. Talking about cloud technologies in higher education, we should make clear the question: what is the didactic potential of their usage? In our opinion, the answer is activation of students' cognitive activity and motivation, productivity of educational activity, mobility, which gives opportunities for research project activities and adaptation of educational material to real life, information of new ways of knowledge transfer for the implementation of blended learning, the ability to store large amounts of data in various formats, audio, video, graphics, text databases, and simplify the publication of materials, uploading them online for quick access to it by both students and tutors. Interactivity and continuity of the educational process, even in the conditions of temporary and geographical separation of subjects of study. The ability to organize the group work, the possibility of organizing collective work of tutor and students, innovation and the possibility of modifications, expanding the limits of applicability of existing forms and methods of learning, fast presentation of created products in educational process, stimulation of independent activity, and obtaining a specific visual result. The possibility of integration of academic disciplines, organization of students-oriented learning, improving the skills of finding the necessary information and its evaluation, formation and increase of the level of media literacy. Our next point to talk about is cloud-based services in higher education. And connected with it, the research question: what are the most popular services? We find out that they are Gmail, Viber, and Telegram messengers for communication, Google Drive as online cloud storage service, YouTube for work with educational video, Google Meet for conducting online classes, social networks, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok for creation publication, Google Scholar, Science Direct, Web of Science for literature research, Prezi or Canva for creating multimedia presentation, Mindomo for making mind maps, Google Jamboard or Padlet as interactive board, Canva and Visme for graphic design, etc. Following Alla, we state that in blended learning, a significant part of traditional learning time is replaced by online learning activities and may include providing links to resources, downloading text and materials, facilitating the submissions of tasks for independent work. Thus, blended learning is a model of using distributed information and educational resources in educational process with the usage of asynchronous and synchronous distance learning elements. Blended learning organization for professional training students philologists at the Mykhailo Faculty of Philology and Journalism of Vinnytsia Mykhailo Kotsiubynskyi State Pedagogical University During the studying the discipline, scientific research basics by using cloud technologies are described, and solving the problem how to prepare the students, philologists to a fluent usage of innovative cloud-based means requires such actions. First of all, watch different educational video on YouTube and make a mind map or a multimedia presentation at Prezi or Canva or infographics at online board, Padlet or Google Jamboard or at Wisme based on video information. Secondly, choose a person or one outstanding scientist and prepare a publication for any of the social networks with the brief information about this researcher. The next step is, in a teamwork, create a mind map on Mindomo or any other source, make a video presentation of a theoretical issue and upload it to YouTube. Search for literature by keywords in various search engines, namely Google Scholar, Science Direct, Web of Science, and practice in setting the necessary filters during the search. Learn life hacks on copying, different style citation, etc. Prepare a multimedia presentation at Prezi or infographics with information about modeling. Prepare an instruction for the researcher about the research methodology with the usage of online board Padlet and graphic design service Wisme. Create a comparative table with the advantages and disadvantages of each of 3 experiment designs with the help of interactive board, Google Jamboard, and the graphic design service Canva. The organization of blended learning in such a way demonstrates the steady interest of students in innovative technologies in educational process. The cloud-based learning environment is familiar and usual for them, so involving students in doing learning tasks in this environment does not cause their resistance, but on the contrary, serves as an incentive for creativity, solving cognitive problems, research activities. Thank you for your attention.